Hey guys, welcome to my talk. In this video, I'm going to discuss about alternative to Django REST framework because Django REST framework, which is very popular, just for information, I'm going to share some details on the alternative to the Django REST framework. The first one is TastyPie, the another one is Restless, and one more is Django JSON View. These are the three important alternatives for the Django REST framework, and we are going to see that one by one with some information. We'll get some idea. Let's look into the first Django REST framework alternative topic. That's called a TastyPie. It's one of the very interesting framework, and you see that here in the documentation itself. TastyPie is the web service API framework for the Django. So basically, this is for the Django only. Okay, it provides the convenient yet powerful, high customizable abstraction for the creating the style interfaces. So installation is very easy. Normally, we can go for the pip installation, and that's how it works. And first important thing here, of course you need to build first Django application. On top of it you have to use this TastyPie REST framework. Okay, usage is very easy if you know very well about Django REST framework, and understanding about this TastyPie is very straightforward. Okay, you see that, for example, you are creating like the concepts for the user results, and you have to use a query set and pass this results name and use this way. This is a very simple way to build this. Okay, so complete source code is given here just for example. If you can consider using how to use it and all, and serialization, authentication, caching, and throttling, okay, pagination, everything whatever you have the concepts in the Django REST framework, the same concepts also there here in the TastyPie. So which is the best alternative? I would say that if you're not preferring the Django REST framework, but Django REST framework community is the big community when compared to the TastyPie. But this is one option you can look forward and use and implement for your projects. So this documentation is very straightforward. Okay, if you can try to explore it, go to this documentation. I will provide this documentation link in the video description. You'll get more idea about it. Okay, so what is another alternative for the Django REST framework is a Restless, okay, which is a lightweight REST mini framework for Python, which is a very mini framework for any small applications which you are building we can use. Then you see in this documentation they said like works great with the Django, Flask, Pyramid, and Tornado. So Tornado, Pyramid, Flask, these are all like Python based web frameworks. So this Restless framework supports all these things. Then best features are it is a small fast code base and JSON output by default, and we can overrideable and restful, and it supports from the Python 3.2 and flexible. Okay, so don't, of course we are not using the Python 2 nowadays, but don't try to use this one with the Python 2. So installation is very easy. Of course in Python world installations are very easy. So pip install Restless and you can get started with this. And we have the not exactly similar kind of features what we have seen in the TastyPie and Django REST framework. It is not like that. It's a little different because it's not just only for the Django. It is also can be used for the other web frameworks. Okay, so please try this one. This documentation also given here, and so let me know if you're facing any issues with respect to this Restless, and I will try to help you. Okay, so coming to the next one is the Django JSON view, which is also very important when you're working with the JSON APIs. Okay, so you can see this Django JSON view is a simple decorator that translates the Python objects to the JSON and make sure your view will always return the JSON. So this is an important. If you are building very simple web applications, if you want to use the kind of I mean Django applications, when I'm saying that very simple Django applications, if you are using, you have to use the return the JSON view or not the any other objects. So pip install Django JSON view, and here we have the code snippet, and so this is how they are saying that class my view, it is a JSON view, and you can return the context. It is like a JSON view only. You can see all these examples here. You try to use this one, but the community which is very small, and okay, you can see the you can raise the, if you have any questions, you can raise your questions to the contributors to this, this Django JSON view. And you can see this on February 1st it is got updated. That means that, okay, this still is up to date in 2021 as well. Okay, so these are the three important REST frameworks alternatives. So try to explore it. Okay, the one is a Testify, the another one is a Restless, and last one is the Django JSON view. So try to explore these things and let me know if you have any questions in the comment box, and I'm going to look into your questions. Okay, thank you so much.